Pinky promise. Understanding a unique expression in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and unique phrase in English, pinky promise. This expression is not just about the words but also about the action that accompanies it. So, let's dive in and understand what a pinky promise is all about. A pinky promise is a type of informal agreement or promise made between two people. It involves locking the pinky fingers of each person together as they make a promise. This gesture is believed to symbolize sincerity and trust. It's often used among friends and especially popular with children. The pinky promise is like saying, "I'm very serious and honest about this promise." The origin of the pinky promise is quite fascinating. It is believed to have originated in Japan, where it is known as yubakiri, which translates to finger cutoff. The full phrase is yubakiri genman, yushiro no shomen dare, which means finger cutoff, 10,000 punishments to whoever breaks the promise. This expression reflects the seriousness of the promise, implying that breaking it would result in a severe consequence. Making a pinky promise is simple yet meaningful. Here's how you do it. 1. Face the person you are making the promise with. 2. Extend your pinky finger and ask the other person to do the same. 3. Link your pinky fingers together. 4. While your pinkies are linked, say your promise out loud. 5. Finally, unhook your pinkies, signifying the completion of the promise. You might hear or use pinky promise in various situations. For example, between friends, "I will keep your secret." Pinky promise. In a playful context, pinky promise you'll give me a call tomorrow? With children, do you pinky promise to clean your room? So, that's all about the pinky promise. It's a charming and heartfelt way of making a promise, blending both words and actions. We hope you enjoyed learning about this unique aspect of English language and culture. Remember, a pinky promise is a fun but serious commitment. Until our next video, keep practicing your English and making those pinky promises.